Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Okaka cheese no Yakionigiri. Yakionigiri is grilled onigiri rice balls. It's usually seasoned with soy sauce seasoning and it's really good already. But with some Okaka fish flakes and cheese, it's even better. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Okaka cheese no Yakionigiri. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 200 grams of shredded mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some fish flakes. Today, I'm using katsuobushi bonito flakes and iwashibushi sardine flakes. But you can use either of them, and katsuobushi bonito flakes is much easier to find, I think. Let's cook the rice. So I'm going to rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and leave for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmered for 12 minutes. Let's kill the heat and steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes. So let's add the fish flakes and the seasonings. Soy sauce, salt, and the fish flakes, as much as you like. I like to put it a lot. Katsuobushi bonito flakes, and iwashibushi sardine flakes. Mix and fluff the rice. Cover it with damp cloth and cool it down to lukewarm. I left it for 15 minutes. Let's mix the cheese. If the rice is too hot here, it will melt the cheese too much. And if it's too cold, it won't mix well. So make sure the rice is lukewarm. Now, let's make it into onigiri. I'm making 8 onigiri. So let's roughly divide the rice into 8. Wet your hands using bowl of water. Take one section and try to make it into triangle shape. Wet your hands. Take one section and triangle. Eight onigiri are ready. Instead of grilling them, I'm going to cook them in the frying pan. So let's heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Let's put the onigiri into the frying pan with wet fingers. Onigiri will stick to your fingers, so make sure to wet. And let's just cook them until it's nicely brown. Let's cook on the sides too. Looks good. On all sides. So it's done. Time for the tasting. Onigiri is something you can eat with your fingers, just like sushi. いただきます。My kids are addicted to this onigiri, and I totally get it. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Okaka cheese no Yakionigiri goes here, and let's have tonjiru here. Tonjiru contains a lot of vegetables and protein, so let's pass the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about sunomono for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!